Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can create a whiteboard presentation inside your ClickUp account or workspace. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left. And what you want to do after that, guys, is pay attention to that list of spaces here on the left-hand side. Let me go, for example, with that test space I created for demonstration purposes. So let me access it by left-clicking on it. And here to the right, you will see a plus icon. So by clicking on it, you will be given access to these items you can create and assign to that space. In this case here, guys, let me go with Whiteboard from that drop-down menu here. And that is going to redirect you to that setup here. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, you may, for instance, use that text box here by clicking on it or by using the shortcut T. And, for example, add a text box here and enter the given text here. You may customize the given text, apply a custom font, the font size, the color, and so on and so forth. Or you may, for example, click on that arrow icon here at the bottom from the toolbar to switch to the select tool. Or you may, for instance, add ClickUp items, or like, for example, I don't know, files, PDF files you have added to your task or tasks themselves. You may draw, for example, by using that, by clicking on that pencil icon or by using the shortcut D, and after that simply draw something like, I don't know, face like that. And customize the drawing tool by applying custom colors or using the eraser, the highlighter, the thickness, or and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. You may, for instance, also add images to a whiteboard presentation, use whiteboard templates, use the power of the artificial intelligence for your whiteboard presentation. And that's how it is. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.